FresherLog channel. If you are from 24, 25 or a 26 batch and looking for off-campus drive, this video will help you a lot. Today I will show you step by step where to find a genuine off-campus hiring and how you can apply properly. So let's start with the first method. The first one method is directly searching on a career pages. The first and most trusted way to find off-campus drive is through the official career page of company. Before anyone search to you with you, the company always share on their career page any job opportunity for a fresher, for experienced candidate as well. So we are currently on a Infosys career page, which is a graduate.html. Here is a website. You can see here we have to choose our location from where we belong. So here I am choosing India. Many big company IT MNCs post regular fresher and a hiring opportunity on their website. For example, companies like Infosys, TCS. You can simply open their so how to find this? Okay, so you can simply open their career website and go to the search section and search here like roles graduate trainee engineer, associate system engineer or a software engineer. All time you don't have to search because they are already here. You can see the listed job applications like job opportunities. Here are 57 the biggest 20 100 54 72 31 20 16. Like these are the jobs. These are from experience as well and the fresher as well. So in particular city how many jobs are there from them we can see, and when you click on that particular city or a number, then you can see here is a job applications. The next one we can take an example for the TCS as well. So let us search on a TCS careers. You have to enter search on a TCS careers. When you go on a TCS career, here we can go on India. Visit a career pages. Always check the eligibility criteria and then apply directly from their official website. So this is one of the trusted way to search their jobs. So here we can see they are there. Here we can entry level and internship, and this is a lateral hiring. Lateral hiring explores challenging and exciting opportunity across India. Start to your journey with exciting opportunities. So we have to explore this. If you want that, you can. Here the TCS Code Vita grand finale is ongoing, the world biggest coding challenge, and the current hiring from the TCS is the TCS Atlas hiring for MSc and MA Economics. The second one is the TCS BSc Ignite and Smart hiring, TCS MBA hiring 26. See, TCS Sigma hiring for the pharmacy graduates. So this is a very good, and when you click on that particular opportunity, it will redirect to your next page. Then you have to log in with your career portal login ID like this. So like currently this status wasn't closed. Yeah, so you can see what was like how to log in and everything, you know, if you are like okay. So this is another opportunity, and any company like any small scale or a big MNC company, they first took on their opportunity on their career pages before anyone share with you. So here we seeing the TCS Atlas hiring, the first one. Here we can see on my channel I have already shared the TCS Atlas hiring with you. You can see the TCS Atlas hiring. Okay, so the next part of the search is LinkedIn page searches. So you have to search like this: Java developer fresher Pune. See, this is from 2 day ago, this is a 1 day 2 day ago, this is 2 week ago. So this is one of the good company and big tech company in a Pune. This is a Tata Communication, you can save or you can easily apply for this. And you can also search with the post as well. So when you so you have to follow to the connections like HR managers or any connection which are working in a corporate in any particular office, so they shares like this opportunity. See, the man was shared with the link as well. So and the super test set was also a big tech platform which is hiring the MNC will hire, and this is a opportunity I have already shared with you on my channel. Here we can see on this short feed I have shared lots of opportunity with you. See, the Cognizant, IBM, and the Stadium, Zensar Technology, Apetem, T Systems, HCL Tech, Academy, like all these opportunity I'm uploading my channel. So do subscribe to for a fresh new job opportunity daily. So here this is a from career page, this is a LinkedIn job search, this is a post search, this is a superset search. So lots of way to search how where are you going to join, where are to going the off campus on campus travel. The another one is from the Naukri. I have already here search. If you want a job, click on a job. If you want an internship, click on an internship. Search like these keywords, what role you want. You want a Python, search Python developer, Django. Mention your frameworks, two to frameworks, and first one is the role, and then the location. Here I will change the location. I will put it in Pune. So it will going to search like say core Java developer experience, 0 to 2 years, like backlist, GoDigi, Infotech. There are lots of. If you want a fresh opportunity, so here we can check the fresh news last one day and see. C++ developer is the latest opportunity here in few hours ago. Here we can see. I think key skill will not match. See, key skill is not matching because I have a Java. So C++ is a must. See, here is a star. Okay, so C++ is a must, and these are okay with it means ये भी चाहिए but ये must है. So suppose अगर आपके ऐसे कुछ नहीं है तो आप सीधा आपकी प्रोफाइल में जाओ, इसका फ़ोटो ले लो और उसे ऐसे सेम स्किल्स आपके रिज्यूमे में सॉरी आपके नौकरी की प्रोफाइल में डाल दो और अप्लाई कर दो, उसकी स्किल मैच हो जाएंगे. और हियर यू कैन सी द competition. It's posted few hours ago. Opening is a one and applicants are 100 plus. So you can see the selection was 0.1%. So do apply for this from the Naukri as well, from their career page as well. I suggest you to do check the career pages in a 1 month or twice or once you can check. And LinkedIn search you can check daily. They are daily post. Okay, or yeah this. So if you are going to follow or connect with them, so they will directly appear to your page when you open the LinkedIn. So this is one of the benefit of this. And Superset is also hires. I mean here the companies post their job LinkedIn's. So this is a good for you. Here from the Naukri, and the fourth one part is a resume. So resume is a very important for anyone, for any opportunity. Check the what was the requirement and what was the job description. According to them, to that, then make the resume. So it will shortlist. Suppose you are going to apply from the off-campus opportunity, and your resume also got shortlisted, and you are preparing for an interview. But ऐसे कोई तो होता है कि मेंटोर के साथ एक बार एक इंटरव्यू होना चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट वी आर लाइक हमने कुछ ऐसा सोचा है. वी आर थिंकिंग लाइक दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक योर मॉक फॉर हाफ आवर. So first half hour we will take your mock, and then 15 minutes we will talk on your feedback, like what was the structure of your answer. We take a mock from the introduction to HR questions plus technical questions. So this is a very good opportunity for you. So first 10 members are getting a free mock interview from us. Okay, and first 10 peoples will get free technical mock, and I will share the feedback from our students as well. मतलब आप इस इंटरव्यू में रिजेक्ट होने से अच्छा है कि आप एक दो बार मॉक ले लें. We are scheduling this mock on online, like and then we will share the link with you, uh, Google Meet link via the mail. We will share with you mail. And if you have like any particular job description, whatever you are going to apply for that, then give us to us. We will take a look on that, and we also ask you question on that basis, so you get particularly prepared for the interview. You have to structure for your introduction as well. Your introduction as well, your introduction ऐसी एक चीज़ है जो आप जो बता सकती है कि इंटरव्यू को हाउ इज दिस द कैंडिडेट, विल दिस कैंडिडेट फिट फॉर माई रोल, फिट फॉर माई कंपनी, इट विल थिंक. सो आपके इंट्रोडक्शन में भी कुछ स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए होता है. अगर आपके इंट्रोडक्शन में स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है तो वो पर्सन आपको कैसे चूज़ करेगा. सो यू हैव टू स्ट्रक्चर लाइक इंट्रोडक्शन में फर्स्ट हो गया रेटिंग करना, फिर हो गया नेम, कॉलेज, डिग्री, देन आपका परसेंटेज, CGP हो गया, फिर आपके टेक्निकल स्किल्स आ गए, फिर आपके सॉफ्ट स्किल आ गए, फिर आपका इंटरेस्ट आ गया, फिर आप कहाँ देखते हो. ऐसे कुछ स्ट्रक्चर होता है. रिज्यूमे में भी कुछ चीज़ें होती है जो आपको आती नहीं, आप वो भी डाल देते हो, वही तो आपका रिज्यूमे वहीं पर रिजेक्ट हो जाता है. अगर आप सब आपका वो भी रिज्यूमे सिलेक्ट हो गया और आप वैसे अनप्रिपेयर्ड होके बिना टेक्निकल मॉक के बिना कि आप अगर चले गए इंटरव्यू, सो दैट्स definitely rejection, not selection. So this is our 5 parts of our today's video, and this will gonna help you, I know it. And comment your which year you are pass out, so we can make a video lots of on you, and we are sharing like this opportunity and fresher tips, resume tips, interview tips, opportunities from the MNCs to the small even company as well. So do subscribe to our FresherLog channel for a fresh new job opportunity daily. Thanks for watching.